In the evolving world of agriculture, the introduction of swarm robotics presents a revolutionary shift in farming practices.
These small robots operate in unison, optimizing efficiency and adapting to the unique challenges of each field.
Soil health is critical to farming success, and these robots provide real-time data to improve agricultural practices.
These robots allow us to farm smarter, not harder. They're changing the way we think about agriculture.
By employing swarm robotics, we can enhance crop yields while minimizing environmental impact.
While traditional tractors have served us well, small robots are paving the way for the future of agriculture. Advanced soil analysis allows farmers to make informed decisions, leading to healthier crops and better yields.
I've seen firsthand how these robots transform our work, making it more sustainable and efficient.
As we look to the future, technology and nature must find balance for sustainable agriculture. These robots are equipped with cutting-edge technology that enables precise farming practices. Understanding soil composition is vital for effective farming, and robots provide critical data for these analyses.
Before these robots, we struggled with efficiency and sustainability, Alice. Now, that's all changed.
These robots are capable of performing multiple tasks, from planting to monitoring crop health. Equipped with real-time data analytics, these robots enhance decision-making in farming. Healthy soil is the foundation of productive farming, and robots help monitor its condition effectively.
I believe that with these advancements, we can achieve sustainable farming for generations to come.
As we embrace technology, the future of farming looks bright and promising. These robots can navigate complex terrains, ensuring that no crop is left unattended. Soil compaction is a significant issue, and understanding its effects is crucial for future farming practices.
With these robots, we can target soil compaction areas, ensuring healthier crops.
These robots can tend to a variety of crops, making them a versatile tool for farmers. With advanced sensors, these robots can monitor crop health and provide actionable insights.
Ballot. Data-driven decisions in farming can significantly improve yields and sustainability.
Data has transformed how we farm, helping us make better decisions and improve sustainability.
As dawn breaks, these robots are ready to maximize efficiency and support sustainable practices.
Effective communication between robots allows for coordinated efforts in the field, enhancing productivity. Soil health directly impacts crop yields, and monitoring it is essential for modern agriculture.
Managing soil properly is key to our success, and these robots help us achieve that.
Swarm robotics enables a level of cooperation that maximizes efficiency and reduces labor costs.
Adaptive technology allows these robots to respond effectively to varying field conditions. Understanding soil compaction's effects on crop yields is crucial for improving farming practices.
By using these robots, we can identify and treat soil compaction effectively.
These robots can effectively manage a wide range of crops, tailoring their approach to each type. With advanced data collection capabilities, these robots provide critical insights into crop health. Soil testing is imperative for sustainable practices, and robots play a crucial role in this process.
We've come a long way, and these robots are the next step in that evolution.
Collaboration among these robots enhances their efficiency, making farming more productive. These robots can adapt their functions to suit varying field conditions, ensuring optimal performance.
Soil health is critical for crop performance, and ongoing research is essential.
Sustainability is our goal, and technology is helping us achieve that vision.
As we move forward, the integration of technology in farming is essential for a sustainable future.
Effective communication among robots enhances their ability to work together efficiently. Innovations in soil health monitoring are paving the way for future agricultural practices.
I hope to see even more advancements that make farming more sustainable and efficient.
With each new dawn, technology opens new possibilities for sustainable farming. Data-driven decisions are revolutionizing farming, allowing for precise interventions. Understanding the relationship between soil health and crop yields is critical for sustainable agriculture.
Technology has been a game changer in how we manage soil health.
The integration of small robots into farming practices symbolizes a shift towards sustainable agriculture. These robots can adapt to various farming environments, ensuring efficiency and productivity. Soil properties play a crucial role in determining crop yields, making analysis essential.
I see technology leading us to a more sustainable and efficient future in farming.
The twilight of traditional farming is giving way to innovative practices with the help of technology. These robots provide precise management for crops, enhancing overall agricultural practices. Soil testing is vital for understanding and improving farming outcomes.
Continuous education is key to adapting to new technologies in farming.
The integration of technology into farming practices showcases a commitment to sustainability. These robots optimize farming processes, making agriculture more efficient and effective.
Soil management practices significantly impact crop yields and overall farming success.
Effective soil management is crucial for maximizing our yields and ensuring sustainability.
A balance between traditional farming and modern technology is essential for future success. These robots enhance efficiency in managing agricultural tasks, setting new standards in farming. Soil health is fundamental to sustainable farming, and ongoing research is vital.
Soil health is everything in farming. It determines our success.
The integration of small robots in crop management symbolizes innovation in agriculture.
These robots provide precise management in agriculture, enhancing effectiveness. Soil health is key to sustainable farming practices, and ongoing research is vital.
I believe technology will drive us towards a more sustainable future in farming.
Dusk, we see the promise of technology paving the way for future agricultural practices. These robots gather critical data to improve farming efficiency and productivity. Innovative soil management strategies are essential for the future of sustainable agriculture.
I hope to see more advancements that make farming more sustainable and efficient.
Each sunrise brings new opportunities for innovation and sustainable farming practices.
These robots enhance productivity, setting new standards for agricultural practices. The future of soil management relies on innovative techniques and technology.
Adapting to new technologies is essential for the future of farming.